Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily English with Diana. How are you today? Today's topic is a little bit gross, but also very useful and funny. If you have young kids, especially little boys, I'm sure you use these words every day. Let's get started. Number 1, snot. Snot. S-N-O-T. S-N-O-T. Snot is the sticky, slimy stuff inside your nose. It comes out when you have a bad cold. It can be yellow, green, brown, or even other colors, depending on how bad your cold is. You can say, "Oh my God, snot is dripping from my nose." "Oh my God, snot is dripping from my nose." Or, "Ew, my snot is thick, sticky, and yellow. I really need to see a doctor." "Ew, my snot is sticky, thick, and yellow. I really need to see a doctor." Number 2, booger. Booger. B-O-O-G-E-R. B-O-O-G-E-R. If snot stays in your nose and dries out, it becomes a booger. Since boogers are usually dry and hard, they are not easy to blow out. That's why people often use their fingers to pick them out. You can say, "My son likes to pick his nose and eat his boogers." My son likes to pick his nose and eat his boogers. Or, "Don't play with your booger." Don't play with your booger. Did you lick your snot or lick your boogers when you were a kid? Or do you still do it now? Please don't. Let's review. Ew, my snot is sticky, thick, and yellow. Ew, my snot is thick, sticky, and yellow. Don't play with your booger. Don't play with your booger. Don't eat your booger. Don't eat your booger. That's all for today. I hope you liked today's lesson. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send me a message. See you next time. Bye bye.